Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can add a family member to your ChatGPT account, whether you're using the free version or the paid version. All you have to do is go into your account on ChatGPT. At the bottom left you will see your profile. Once you click on that, you will see the option for settings. So once you see settings, you click on settings and you will scroll where it says parental controls. So once you click on parental controls, you will see the option to add a family member. So basically you can add parents, you as a parent can add a team and you guys can link the account. So once you click on add family member, all you have to do is type the email of that said family member. You choose if this person is the parent or the guardian, and if this person is a child. So once you click on my child and you put in the email address, all you have to do is click on send and you send that person an invitation and they will be under your parental guidance. So that's about it guys. Thank you so much for watching the video and see you on the next one.